Hello guys, GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair here, working on a 2015 Nissan Sentra 1.8 automatic front wheel drive. Customer complained that when the vehicle is moving, it can hear some noise. So after inspecting the vehicle, we told the customer it seems like before we removed the wheel and tire, that the noise seems like we're coming from the rear brakes, and says, hey, I just got my brakes inspected and they said that was good and clean. So it's right there. And look at that. Spring broke on the piece, and they said it was clean recently and needs a wheel bearing. Definitely is getting shoes, wheel bearing, drums,